Pause. Before we get into this video, I just want to apologize for the light you can see on my face and on the backdrop. The sunlight really tried to destroy this look, but not our hunty. We had to slay and prosper. What up, hunty? Welcome to Way of Yao. My name is Yao and it is a pleasure to see you, or welcome back. I'm so excited because today literally the new lighting came in, so I hope you guys can see a difference in quality. If you can, let me know in the comments section that we is a slaying. For this video we're going to be doing a get ready with me video. I just want to sit down and get all cool and chilled out with you guys, just talk a little bit about my past. I'm actually going to a fashion event today. Gonna be beating my mug as I speak to you guys. Also, if you guys are not a part of the family, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you do not be hitting that button, I'd be judging you, so make sure to hit that. And if you enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button as well. Now let's get into it. So I'm just gonna start off by priming my face with the no filter blurring primer from NYX Cosmetics. I'm mainly going to place it in my areas where I tend to get most texture. Let's actually get into the story time. So I was a little boy. I'm joking. So basically, I was still in secondary school at the time. I think I must have been in like year 8 or year 9. So I was like, what, 13, 14? I'm guessing. I think it was around about that age. And basically, I always used to get the 271 home from school. I always used to get the same bus every single day, me and my friends. And I don't know exactly what day this happened on, but the way I'm gonna explain it to you guys, I'm basically gonna say Monday and Tuesday because it was literally 2 days apart. So let's say on Monday, for example, I'm just casually going home as you do, going home with my friends on the bus. And we were just living our best life. We were kikiing, we were being all cute or whatever. By the way, I'm actually liking this primer. It's actually made me feel like hella fucking smooth. I mean, it's giving me a little bit of a grey finish, but don't worry. When we use foundation on top, we gonna look Gucci as fuck. Okay? But yeah, we were making our way home from school, living our best lives, and then suddenly out of nowhere, you hear the announcement, this bus terminates here, and we're just sitting there like, the fuck? Like, what do you even mean? And bearing in mind, this is like 4 stops before we're actually supposed to get off. So I'm feeling kind of pissed right now, like, what, are we gonna walk for 4 stops? Like, Okay, cool, so we get off the bus now. But then as we get off the bus, the doors close, and we see that the bus driver's driving off with people still on the fucking bus. So we're just like, did we just get scammed? Like, did this bus driver seriously try to get us off to carry on driving the bus? And bear in mind, we were not making noise, we were not causing trouble or anything like that. So I was a little bit baffled as to why is my man acting up for? It's so not necessary. And so we were just hella pissed off. And you never guess what happened. Tuesday comes now, he does the same thing. He's like, oh, this bus terminates here. So we're just like, do we get off, do we not? This happened yesterday. And we don't know if it's the same bus driver or not, because I'm not scoping the bus driver as I get on the fucking bus oh, it's the same guy. All I know is that it happened again. And this time round, I was that bitch. I was like, no. I'm not getting off this bus. I don't care what he does. He can't drag me off. Right? But I'm that kind of person that even when everybody's following and getting off, or let's say they're all let's go do this, and I'm not feeling it, I ain't gonna do it. Or if everyone's feeling not to do it and I wanna do it, I'm finna do it, regardless of what the bitch is gonna do. Do you know what I mean? So all of my friends are like, oh yeah, let's just get off the bus, oh, let's go. And I'm like, no, I'm not getting off this fucking bus, I'm staying on this bus. So me being me, I decided that I was gonna stay on the bus, right? I was young and I don't even know what I was expecting. Was I expecting him to stay there until I got off, I guess? So I guess I thought I was just queen bee and he was gonna delay the whole thing for me. But little did I know that all of the lights on this bus turned off and I was just feeling shook. I was like, oh my god, fuck. And then he started driving the bus and that's when I lost my whole shit. I was literally like, what? Where's he taking me? And usually the bus would go straight, but then it started to turn left. And I was like, girl, I don't know what I'm finna do. I don't know what he's trying to do. Is he taking me somewhere? And everywhere was dark. Like, did he not see that I didn't get off the bus? Like, what is the tea? And so I was just feeling so damn bloody shook. The guy's driving the bus, right? And I just panicked. I was just so scared. I was like, I don't know what he's gonna do to me. I don't know where I'm going. He's literally turned off. Oh, girl. He's literally, that's me reliving the experience, bitch. He's literally like turned off all the lights. I don't know where he's gonna take me. And I just thought in the spur of the moment, I need to get out of here. I don't know how, but I'm gonna do it. So, you know how it has the little buttons at the top of the door? It says one red one for, one's red and one's green. All I know is that one is to open the door. I decided I'm gonna open the door, right? It was not a smart decision. I don't know, I just thought of the spur of the moment, like, how am I gonna get out of this situation? And I was quite scared as to like where he was gonna try and take me. I literally had no idea what he was gonna try and do. So I was like, you know what? Let me jump off the bus.
When I easily could have just waited for us to reach a traffic light, I could have spoken to him, I could have done so many things, but no. Let me jump off the bus.
I pressed it, and me not even thinking to look left or to see if any traffic was coming or if any cars were coming. I literally just jumped out of the bus, and literally, I tried to jump out of the bus like feet first, which is not smart. Cause girl, the second I hit the ground, I just started rolling and I was just flying, girl. I flew, I was Superman. I is Superman, right? Luckily, no traffic was actually coming from that direction. But anyhow, cars had been coming, I would have been finished. I may not even be here today snatching you with mother realness. I just thank God that no traffic was coming and I actually lived to tell the tale, and I'll never do something like that again. I just wanted to, you know, tell you guys this story. I've actually been thinking of telling this story on my YouTube channel for such a long time because I just think it's so crazy, and I don't want anybody to repeat that. Like, never jump out of a moving bus. It's just not smart. But yeah, now I'm gonna be setting my highlighted areas with that powder. But yeah, guys, tell me how your weeks have been. What have you guys been up to? At the moment, I feel so stress-free. There's been a lot more like fashion companies and stuff like that reaching out to me. So I definitely want to get a little bit more into fashion than I currently am. I definitely want my Instagram to look a little bit more fashiony than it currently does. This is always how I highlight my nose nowadays. I literally put a little bit of that setting powder in the very center of the nose, like that. Just like that. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna use a little bit of my Ben Nye Ebony powder. I'm literally gonna set the perimeters of my face and also blend out the highlight a bit, just so that it looks a little bit more cohesive. I have something to actually tell you guys. As you guys know, because we recently hit 20k on Instagram, we're actually on 22 at the moment, 22 point something. I actually wanted to know if anybody watching this video has any tips or tricks on how to like actually get PR. I've been contacted by quite a few brands for PR, but it's like, then they're more, I think, what you would call indie brands. I'm thinking, how do you like get, like, you know, the bigger brands and stuff like that. So I'm not like hating on indie brands, I was just wondering if anybody knows how to get, do you know what I mean? Like bigger brands, or like, do I need to reach out to them? Do I need to wait for them to come to me? I'm just like not 100% sure. If anybody can shed some light, that would be much appreciated. Guys, I do not know what it is about this highlighter from Revolution. It is the Rejuvenate highlighter. It has been giving me everything I need and more. It literally looks so natural on the skin. It just looks like the skin is naturally glowing. So for the eye makeup, I'm going to be doing something very basic. I'm literally going to be going into this red shadow, and then I'm going to use a little bit of the black as well. Nothing too like out there. If you guys want more out there looks, you can look at the Instagram and you will see how we like to snatch the gourd. we're actually going to go in with a little cheeky liner. This is the 24K Glam Liner from NYX Cosmetics. Sadly, they have discontinued this liner, so if you want to pick it up, I'd say it's probably best to order it online before all of the online stock is out as well. I'm living for this Egyptian fantasy. I absolutely love using this liner, and I'm so devastated that they are going to be discontinuing it. Like, who do you think you are? How dare you remove my favourite product? Like, I love this product to bits. So next, to highlight my top lip, I'm going to be using the loose pigment from Bella Pierre. This is in the colour Celebration. I've been using this for at least 2 years now. I've gone through so many of these. I absolutely love them. Literally for like a really highlighted top lip, this is the one. So next we're going to be going in with the Everlasting Matte Black Lipstick from Kat Von D. This is in the shade Witches. So we're going to be going in with another matte lipstick from Kat Von D. This is in the shade Vampira. I'm going to be using this in the centre of the lip. To set the face, I'm going to be using a little bit of my Dewy Finishing Setting Spray from NYX. So now I'm going to go off camera and I'll be back in a moment to show you guys the official look. So guys, this is the official final look. I hope you guys are living, and I hope this tutorial gave you your life. It was sort of like a tutorial, get ready with me, story time, all mashed up into one, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see all of you guys in my next video, and I'm sorry about the light that you can actually see like in the background and stuff like that. For once, I'm not shooting extremely late, I'm actually shooting quite early, so the sun is out and is ready to play games and fuck up this video. So yeah, I'm so excited and so happy about that. So yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already a part of the family, and don't forget to like as well if you actually enjoyed watching this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in a bit. Mwah. Bye guys.